nationwide dharna. MLAs of the Bharatiya Janata Party took oath at party office simultaneously with Mamta's swearing-in ceremony at Raj Bhavan today. BJP chief JP Nadda was present for the ceremony and said they have taken an oath to stop politics of violence in Bengal and they will be protecting democracy. Nadda yesterday met kin of the BJP workers killed in violence. Meanwhile, the Saffron Party is also holding a nationwide protest claiming that 6 of their workers were killed in Bengal, while several others including Suvendu Adhikari were attacked by TMC. BJP has also said the TMC men burned down their office in Arambagh on result day.
ये धरना कह रहे हैं कि भाजपा को हार हजम नहीं हो रही है, इसलिए शपथ ग्रहण में शामिल ना होके इस तरह का धरना दे रहे हैं।
हम खुद भी यहाँ पर शपथ लेंगे, हमारे विधायकगण सारे, और जिस प्रकार हिंसा की राजनीति चल रही है और गणतंत्र की हत्या हो रही है, हम गणतंत्र की स्थापना के लिए हमारे सारे भाजपा विधायक भी शपथ लेंगे।
देश में पहला राज्य है जहां राजनीतिक हत्याएं सरकार के नेतृत्व में, सरकार के संरक्षण में, मुझे तो नॉर्थ कोरिया के वो किम जोंग का दृश्य दिखाई देता है कि किम जोंग के खिलाफ अगर कोई आवाज उठाए, सर कलम टीएमसी के खिलाफ आवाज उठाए, सर कलम।
Surya Agni is getting us more details. Surya Agni, we heard from the Chief Minister today saying that, look, all this while law and order really wasn't under me because the Election Commission had taken over. But from here on, it's my responsibility. But the BJP, of course, has raised this matter, not just politically, but also with the court, with BJP also moving Supreme Court regarding this issue, isn't it?
Well, today is the day when Mamta Banerjee, took her oath of office for the 5th time, for the 3rd time on the 5th of May. And today is also the day when, as Mamta Banerjee was taking, swearing in, the BJP started their All India nationwide dharna. Even now, we are here at BJP State Party office where the entire top leadership of West Bengal BJP, led by Dilip Ghosh, is, sitting on dharna. Now, we have seen multiple reports of post-poll violence wherein the BJP claimed that 6 of their workers, 6 of their karyakartas have lost their lives, and they want due justice for these karyakartas, and for that they will do whatsoever required legally. And if that means that the BJP will move to court for independent inquiry, that can happen as well. This is something that the BJP is been claiming. Now, if you listen to Mamta Banerjee, she's claimed that until yesterday, the entire law and order situation was under the control of the EC. And from today onwards, as she has sworn in as the Chief Minister of West Bengal, law and order will be her subject and she will deal with it sternly. Back to you.
All right, Surya Agni, thanks for getting us up to speed with those developments.